So you are struggling with trying to figure out what business you can get started with today. That's what I want to talk about in today's video. Hey, I'm Elise Cartwright from Hustle and Groove, and we talk about all things productivity, side hustle, and email marketing related. So you are wanting to start a business, but you're not even sure which one you can get started with first. Now, there's one thing that you probably haven't thought about: whether you're actually suited to starting a business, because not everybody is the right fit for this. So do a couple of self-check questions and ask and answer the following. Are you self-motivated? Can you get your ass out of bed when you need to do it? Do you need to hit snooze on your alarm about 5 times before you get out of bed? Or do you just jump out as soon as the alarm goes, or before the alarm even goes off? You need to be someone who is self-motivated. You have to motivate yourself to stick to a routine. You have to motivate yourself to do the work. You have to motivate yourself to do the things that you're not necessarily comfortable doing right now. So that's question number 1. Are you self-motivated? The next question is, how organized are you? Or do you have the skills to be able to organize yourself? Or are you prepared to learn how to get organized? Because when you work for yourself, you need to work in an area that is organized, or at least organized chaos. You need to know where to find things. You need to know what you're doing and when you're doing it. So that is the second question. Are you organized? And then the third question is understanding your strengths. Do you know what they are? Now, if you've never done any type of personality quiz or anything like that, a great one that I would recommend to figure out what your strengths are is the book written by Gretchen Rubin called The 4 Tendencies. Now, this covers 4 different tendencies and will really highlight what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are. So you have a better understanding of the type of business that might be a good fit for you, and whether you're going to need any type of external accountability or other things. So it's a really good starting point if you've never gone through and done a personalities quiz. Then once you've answered all those questions, it's really about finding the right business that is going to work to your strengths. Now, I have created this awesome quiz that will allow you to figure out some different side hustles that you could potentially start in the next 30 days. So I'm linking to it above here and also down in the description. And basically it's going to take you through a whole series of questions to get a better understanding about the way that you work with people, the way that you react to certain situations that will then result in your basic side hustle personality, and then which are the potential side hustles that would work best for you. So I look forward to hearing what your result is, and if you love this video, go ahead and click the like button and the bell so you get notified when new videos become available. And I'll see you in the next video.